So there's a difference between the control of movement, or motor control, and the execution of movement. And it wasn't until I recently read this article by Levin and Piscitelli that I really appreciated the distinction between motor control versus motor behavior. Motor control is the processes underlying the production of muscle forces. It's subject to the changing environmental and sensory conditions based on the context in which the action is performed. Motor output, or motor behavior, such as force production, represents the consequences of control processes and not the processes themselves. So in neurorehab, we're interested in the motor behavior, but how we think about how that motor behavior is produced influences how we solve neurological movement-related problems. And I think that perhaps as clinicians, we don't appreciate the significance of that connection enough. I know I certainly don't, or didn't. And I think it's important for us as clinicians to understand the use and misuse of terminology and how it impacts on scientific inquiry and dialogue in the literature. For example, in the literature, the boundaries between these two concepts have long been blurred, resulting in much confusion on how different models, hypotheses, principles, and theories are used to try to describe disordered movement production. But that's motor behavior. That's not motor control.